Coming soon. A charming 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom ranch home with a 2-car garage, 2 storage sheds and a secluded backyard facing trees, and plenty of off-street parking. Fully renovated in 2017. The home features an open floor plan, large breakfast bar great for entertaining, stainless steel appliances, vaulted ceilings throughout, and room for expandability with the walk-up attic. There is no homeowners association here, so if you have a boat or RV that you want to store at your home, this is as good as it gets. It is also located east of Route 1 in the Lewes area with close proximity to the Junction-Breakwater bicycle and walking trail, and just minutes away from the beaches in Lewes and Cape Henlopen State Park. If you want to take advantage of rental income with Air-BnB or VRBO, there are no restrictions here. Sellers are moving and getting the home ready for sale, so keep a close watch. It will not last long.